Hello there, I'm Greg Sadler, and I am really excited to tell you about an upcoming educational opportunity in the Study with Sadler Academy. It is an online one-day seminar in 3 parts where we will be digging into and going through 3 of Martin Heidegger's most influential and perhaps even important essays. So we will be looking at first, what is metaphysics, which is the one that I use to introduce my own academic students to the work and thought of Martin Heidegger. Then in the second part of the seminar, we'll be looking at the question concerning technology, an essay that is incredibly prescient and important for understanding things in our own time. And then finally, we will be looking at another one, the origin of the work of art. And every one of these is well worth studying on its own. We're going to be packing 3 into one rather intensive day. So we will have 3 90-minute seminars coming up on a Saturday. So it'll be December 6th, and we'll begin at 9 a.m. Central Time. Because I'm here in the Midwest, so that's the time that we use. We will spend about 90 minutes, maybe a little bit longer, depending on how much discussion and Q&A we have on what is metaphysics, the key ideas, which we'll talk about in just a moment. Then we'll take a little break. We'll come back at 11 a.m. Central Time, and we will delve into the question concerning technology. Some of the key ideas will be carried forward from what is metaphysics to the question concerning technology, but there'll be some new ones as well. Then we take another short break, and then we have our final part of the seminar, which will be another 90-minute to maybe a little bit longer session, because we've got the rest of the day if people want to talk about things on the origin of the work of art. So we've got metaphysics, technology, art, all these really cool themes. How will we be meeting? We use Zoom to carry it out. I record the class sessions. Anybody enrolled in the seminar gets lifetime access to the recordings, so you can go over them again and again. We have discussion forums for people to carry out additional discussion. And I provide you with handouts, the same handouts that I give to my academic students in my classes at the places where I teach these works, which I've done a number of times. And you might be asking yourself, oh man, I've heard that Martin Heidegger is really hard. He is hard, but if you know my work, what I do is I take difficult philosophical text thinkers and topics, and I make them accessible for everybody, all the way from professors to ordinary people who just have an interest in learning about important ideas. So if you have an interest in Martin Heidegger and you'd like to delve into these key works of his, this seminar is for you. So what will we be talking about? I'm going to assume that you're not familiar with these texts already. In What is Metaphysics, we'll be discussing the nature of metaphysical inquiry, Heidegger's understanding of what he calls the nothing and negation, mood or attunement, or you could even say emotion and beings, the fundamental mood of anxiety, the nothing and nihilation, as he's going to call it, the nothing and its scope for human freedom, and then metaphysical interpretations that Heidegger highlights up until his time of the nothing. And if you've read Being and Time, or you at least are familiar with it, you notice a lot of these themes are pretty familiar. That's why I use What is Metaphysics to introduce Heidegger's thought. So in the second part of the seminar, question concerning technology, Heidegger begins by saying we've got to figure out how to actually ask the question, and he outlines some mistaken approaches that aren't going to get us where we want to go. Then he starts focusing on an analysis of the instrumental and means and ends. He examines the Aristotelian four causes. Then he starts discussing poiesis, or we could call it creation producing truth, and its relationship to modern technology, which he thinks is doing something new. He introduces some important concepts, that of standing reserve and enframing or Gestell. He talks about technology as a threat to revealing and truth in our own time. And then he asks the question at the very end, what is the way forward for us human beings in a world infused with modern technology? I think this essay is even more important in an era in which the internet has totally permeated our existence and our shared lives together. Finally, the origin of the work of art. What are we going to be looking at there? Well, Heidegger begins by looking at the artwork itself and the artist. And then he talks about something that's methodological, the problem of what's called the hermeneutic circle, which is not a vicious circle, right? And then he talks about artwork and how those are somewhat different from mere things or equipment, but are related to them. And then he's going to introduce some other really key ideas. The tension between what he calls world and what he calls earth, and how that plays itself out, not just in the artwork, but in our experience of all sorts of things that artwork is a part of. We'll look at the relationship between artwork and what he calls unconcealment and truth, aletheia. We can also understand it as revealing as well. What is it that artwork shows us? And then finally, we're going to finish by looking at the role of culture and community in artwork. How does that figure into it? And we'll look at some of the examples that he gives. For example, the Greek temple, or, he's got the famous discussion of Van Gogh's depiction of peasant shoes. So those are the things we're going to be looking at. So one-day seminar, lots of resources. We do some great discussion, lots of room for you to ask questions, get clarifications, bring your own ideas to the table, interact with other participants as well as me, the instructor. These are works that I have been reading, thinking about, and teaching for over 25 years. So you can bet that you're going to get what you could call an A game coming to this. It's going to be a great opportunity to delve into some key ideas of a really important 20th century philosopher. We're not going to worry about whether we agree with him or not, or you don't have to be a Heideggerian or, get on Team Heidegger. We just want to understand the ideas that he is bringing forward and the arguments and distinctions that he is providing as well. So I'm not going to go on much more about this. It's going to be a great opportunity to learn coming up on Saturday, December 6th. I hope you'll consider joining me for this special one-day seminar.